Got the F80 in the air. Honestly, missed a lot of the removal, but I'm gonna try and get a lot of the install. Rear turbo is out. Front turbo is, everything is out. The feed line, drain line, I just wanted to capture it in the car real quick. Stock turbos are tiny. Got the other turbo. Here's over here. Alright guys, let's get a real good look at these pure stage 2 high flow pluses for the F80 M3 and the F82 M4 and also the F87 M2 comp. Alright guys, I wanted to show you this real quick. So the kit that I got from Pure Turbos comes with all new nuts and gaskets and O-rings and everything you need, you know, to install the kit, all the exhaust manifold gaskets and whatnot. But the studs was something that I wasn't sure if I was gonna do, and I kind of regret doing them now. I had one break and I could have just done that one, but I had about 5 or 6 the tips snap off, so I had to weld on these nuts. I'm working on the last one right now, so I want to show you guys what I did. I got my welder, obviously, and I've just gone ahead and taped up the ports so that no welding material debris ends up in there. I've also oiled the head a little bit to help with penetrating those studs and also keep any of the welding stuff and splatter kind of off the head and the stuff from scoring the head. So here we are on the last one. You can see it way up there. Let's see if I can get a better closer look. The tips just snapped off of it. So how we're gonna do this is we're gonna take a nut. It's one of the old exhaust nuts. We're gonna go and thread it on up there. It still threads. So we're gonna go ahead and take a 10 millimeter on my tool here. Go ahead and throw another light up here. Make sure there's plenty of light for you guys to see. So there's the nut. I'm gonna run up here, go in, tighten it a little bit. I'm doing this one-handed, guys. I'm gonna run it in until I start to see the head right there, just starting to poke out. So I'm gonna take the welder and we're just gonna weld, you know, just a little tack right on the tip of the nut, which is gonna help hold it to the stud and allow us to pull it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and weld it right now and I'll show you what that looks like. So I've gone ahead and welded it. You can see it smoking here. And grab one of these lights so you can see. But I've just gone ahead and welded the tip. I've put the ground on it so that the current doesn't flow through the motor. We're just gonna go ahead and put this on a ratchet and get it off. And now you will see, I can just put the ratchet on here and just spin it off. If you like this video, be sure to check out the next one. And if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to subscribe and like the video. It helps a lot. Thanks and see you in the next one.